Hello, welcome back to the animal restaurant, guys. Sorry I didn't upload yesterday. I was feeling a teensy bit sick. I wasn't actually sick, I don't think, but I still kind of was. Oh my goodness, Aubrey, you haven't been sweeping. Oh my goodness, what the heck, Aubrey? Dude, what the heck has she been doing? Dude, there's so much rubbish on the floor. Oh my goodness. Oh, Chef, why didn't you turn up? I've been waiting the whole day. I'm sorry, some ingredients aren't ready yet. Perhaps I could come back tomorrow. Okay. They might as well buy that thing, saying that he needs it. Okay, where is it? Yo, I don't think it's here. Oh! Rich kid! Ah! Dude, we're literally 1 minute into the day and we already got a rich kid. Come on. GG, you need to stop taking orders when there's no orders to take. Idiot. Guys, for some reason the only thing I'm good at drawing is cats. I don't know why, but like I can draw people and other animals, but they end up looking goofier. But when I draw cats, it's a bit different. Pretty good. Okay. Welcome to Riley's Rice Restaurant. What would you like to eat today? And Gigi isn't taking orders. Oh, goodness, bro. Goodness gracious. Claim. What just happened? Claim achievements. Oh, goodness. Ooh. Wait, I just remembered. We have a courtyard. How do we... So we literally just click on the door. That's great. Wow. What? Yo. We better cook. Literally. Welcome. Have a nice day. I'm tired as heck, bro. We just got like a new car today. My mom just surprised us. Like in the morning, my mom said she has a surprise for us after school. We came back from school, couldn't find our car, but it was actually right in front of us. She had gotten us a new one. It's really, really sick. I might show you guys it in another video. Might not, I don't know. Oh my gosh. I don't really know what we're going to be trying to do today. But I just want to know. Is there anything? Wait, what's his task? Complete the claim packs. Right. Okay, so I need to see this stuff. Who should we be hiring next? Timmy the server? Lucky the cashier? Dori the promoter? I mean, wait, we nearly have 300 reviews. Wait, let's go. Yo, what? Aubrey, what are you doing? Why aren't you coming out here in the dining room? What are you doing? There you go. Yep, clean up that. Is that a shell? What is that? Scrunch-up paper? Has to be. Get these guys their food, their fod. Yummy fod. What just happened? Hey, W. Eggy. Opry, why were you just chilling at the door? Don't act like I didn't just see you there. Ooh. Dude. I'm just straight up gonna hire Dori the promoter. Because honestly, why not? It's helpful. Try long pressing the promote button. What? Is that all that Dori does? I can just hold down on the promote button. That's it? That's all, buddy. Okay, so this is me holding down the promote button. This is me clicking the promote button. This is buddy. Dori. Yo, Dori. Dori, hold up. What are you doing? Like, actually. Inviting viewers and honest man always attract a bunch of customers. He attracts 4 customers. 4 customers. Whoa, oops. Okay, sorry about that. Oh, raise. Okay. So, he attracts 4 customers. He attracts 4 customers. Oh my goodness! Oh. Oops. Oops. Sorry about that. I exited the app. Okay, Eggy, you getting a raise. Opry, you get a raise. Okay, Timmy, the server. And then Lucky, the cashier. Literally, Dori, you are more useless than Gigi. Like, what? You attract 4 customers within 390 seconds. And you take a 390-second break. You are worse than Gigi. You hear me, boy? Fudge crackers. Goodness gracious, boy. Are they gonna release a Christmas update on this or what? You know what I'm about to do to Dori? I'm about to grab him, throw him in a massive garbage can, roll him down a hill 20 miles from the restaurant, and then I'm just gonna say it's a game, and I'll say we're gonna play Finding Dori. Cause we're gonna get Nemo. Wait, can we order fish on the recipe? Yeah. Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. Yeah, we're gonna get Nemo and everything. Oh, sorry. No. Please stay. No. They just disappear. Wait, our restaurant is inside a tree? Wait, I just realized that. They haven't really released anything Christmas-like. I'm about to sneeze, but I can't sneeze at the same time. Gigi, are you gonna start waiting, waiter? Lazy boy. Why is this deer just walking around? Order something. Dude, look at that deer at the top of the screen. Has he even ordered anything I didn't see? Because if not, there's no way he's just gonna be Wait. Is he buying something in the desert? Yo, brown bunny. A dessert bar. Yeah, you took long enough. We barely have any foods up there. What took you so long? Yo, Dori, you actually need to stop. You are actually the most useless employee ever. Yo, for real though. Eggy, you're Eggy. Employee of the month. You, Dori, you are idiot of the month. What? Like, you attract 4 customers. Cannot believe you. Yo, our reviews are actually kind of going up a bit. Yo, Opry and Eggy, for real. They doing good. Meanwhile, Gigi and Dori over here are the least working workers. Shouldn't Gigi be waiting now? He's a waiter and I'm waiting for him. Look at Dori. Attracting no customers, bro. Wait, actually, never mind. He's attracting a few. He literally attracted 4. Oh my goodness. Now, Gigi, you keep waiting as a waiter when there is no one to be waited. Sure, there's quite a bit of people here, but still not as much as you usually serve. Yeah, I actually wish we could fire these idiots. Like, what? Eggy? No, why did I say Eggy? Dori didn't even, bring in 4 people. He brought in 3. What an idiot. Yo, I could literally run this whole dang restaurant myself. Like, what? Now, no offense to you two, but for real, I could run this whole restaurant by myself. You hear me right now? You hear me right now? 13 minutes in, I'm already stressed about a new worker. What? Get serving, waiter. Game just froze like crazy. What just happened? Like, actually, what was that? Just paused. Yeah, our reviews are a bit stuck again. This is bad news. I cleaned up a banana peel, and I swear if Opry comes in here to clean it up, I swear I'm gonna lose it. Okay. Because I was going to say, if I clean that thing up and she comes to pick it up when it's already gone, nah. GG! Idiotic scumbag. No wonder black cats mean bad luck. Jeez, bro. Dude, do you know how to fire people in this game, guys? Like, what the heck? This is honestly just annoying, bro. I just realized we have little walls there. We have some here. Yeah, we do. Our reviews are terrible. We've reached a downfall, GG's. All because of these two idiotic employees. Like, Dori literally attracts not even 4 people like it says. He attracts 3 people every 190 seconds. No, 390 seconds. That is so terrible. Just open. We need these reviews to go up like crazy right now. Dude, we have so much cold, I don't even really need to do nothing. Like, I cleaned up a can, and if Aubrey comes in here... Aubrey! You mother-loving gosh dang toaster. Dave! 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 Ha ha! Idiot. Like, Aubrey, though. What are you doing? I clean up trash on the floor. You see me clean it up and come in to help, but it's already gone. Like, what are you doing? You getting on my bad side now, Aubrey. My goodness, bro. Like, look at our employees. Aubrey. Okay, so we have 2 more guys to get. Timmy, Server, and Lucky the cashier. I can already tell Lucky is gonna be absolutely terrible. Look at look at how he looks. Not just because of his body, not calling him fat or anything, but just saying, look at his body. Look at that smile. He is so gonna be a bad employee. Goodness gracious. Can you lose reviews in this game? I wonder. Come on. Welcome to Riley's Rice Restaurant. 18 minutes in. And Gigi and Dori have barely moved an inch. Oh, look at you! Look at you, Dori. 1, count him. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at Gigi now waiting. What? Yo, I'm with a bunch of idiots right now. Help me. Yo, do you want to be hired at my restaurant, guys? Please, I will hire you as long as you're not as bad as these 2 bozos. Oh my goodness. Get serving, Gigi! I'm taking orders faster than Gigi. Like, he takes so long. Look at this. Look, I can get all these next orders before he can even order. Bang. Got the goldfish. Bang, 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 bang. I got that all before him. He's such a bozo. You're Dori? Can you start working? I'm not paying you just to stand there. But if I have to give you a raise to act harder, then I guess I have to. Look at this idiot, bro. Resting. You get what? Although it's been buried at the bottom of the sea for a long time, its brilliance is not diminished in the slightest. Wait, what? We can customize them, bro. Yo. We can customize them? Yo, Dori, by the way, you don't even deserve that hat. Buried at the bottom of the ocean, you do not deserve that. Sorry. Mom just came in. Anyways, Dori, you do not deserve that. Eggy. What? Do they only have certain accessories that they can wear? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I guess Dori is wearing the hat. He does not deserve that, bro. He actually doesn't deserve it. Yet he has to wear it. Like, that is actually crazy, bro. Claim. Yo, this actually sucks, bro. When I first saw Dori, I expected much more from him than this. Like, what is he doing? Actually, though. I'm gonna end the video pretty soon. We're 22 minutes in. That's pretty long. First episode was like 29 minutes, right? That's like our longest episode right now. Oh, bro. Like, I'm literally doing everything myself right now in this restaurant. Aubrey, can behind you. You blind? Oh my, she went right past it. Oh my goodness. No, that is actually insane. She went right past it. That is actually insane. Oh my gosh. That's actually insane. You, Aubrey? You starting to get on my nerves. Seriously, what the heck, bro? Yeah. Yeah, this actually sucks, bro. Our reviews ain't going up. We've reached the downfall. The restaurant's gonna shut tomorrow, bro. Oh, gosh. Skunk! Get out, weirdo. Trying to stink on my restaurant. Not on my watch. What an idiot. Yo, I'm starting to become a savage manager because of my work environment right now. Mostly because of Dori and Gigi. I'm acting like absolutely insane, saying crazy stuff. Like, you heard about what I said about Dori earlier. You heard what I said about Dori earlier, about finding Dori. Look how slow this is, seriously. This is my reward for hiring Dori. When I can just do this. I could literally install an auto clicker. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, look at you! Look at you, Dori! Clean that can up. Swear Aubrey. Look at you, Aubrey. Eggy is the only handyman in here right now. And Gigi's serving again. Oh my goodness. We end in the episode. Nah, seriously, as soon as this gets to 27 or 26, 27, maybe 28 minutes, that's it. Ending the episode. This is actually insane. Game just froze like crazy. Yo, for real though, what the heck? Everyone is on my bad side but Eggy. Like, Eggy is the GOAT. He just chilling. He cleans up rubbish whenever he sees it. Meanwhile, Aubrey's cleaning up absolutely nothing. And every time I clean up rubbish, she comes to clean it up when it's already gone. Not to mention Gigi serving people when there's no one there. And Dori literally getting us 4 extra customers so slowly. I could get 4 extra customers so much quicker. Like, it's actually useless. Oh. Yeah, but seriously, what in the Sigma? Yo, we ended the episode, bro. This is actually crazy. Game keeps freezing. Yo, one more customer, that's it. One more customer. In fact, actually, no. Until Gigi stops serving. Just look how much of an idiot he can be. Just to humiliate himself in front of you all. Like, literally in the settings screen, look, you can see Dori in that corner right there. Look at him. He's just confused and idiotic. And then that other cat looks like Gigi almost. Or, actually, no, that's Chef Gummy right there. And that perfectly suits them. Like, Chef Gummy is the owner of this kitchen. But I'm the one running the place, not him. He may own it, but I'm in charge here. Yo, Gigi, quit serving when there's no one here, you idiot. Look at him. Oh, yeah, we ending the episode as soon as I take these last 3 orders. No, that's actually crazy. No, that's actually crazy. As soon as I take these... Look at the rubbish on the floor, Aubrey. Clean it up, Aubrey. Okay, last orders are taken. If I look in this kitchen and Aubrey has gone past the rubbish and not cleaned it up, but I'm actually ending the episode. Yeah, okay, see you guys later.